Kuleliqembu leBafana labadlali abangama-23 kulo kuboshelwe abayi-17 abagijima lapha ekhaya nabayi-6 abadlala emazweni angaphandle okukhona kubo uThibangiphethe odlala ePortugal kanye nomgadli uKate Abrahams ogijima eBelgium. Umgogodla weqembu ufaka phakathi nabadlali abanolwazi olunzulu ababekhona nasemqhudelwaneni weAfrica Cup of Nations ka-2015. Kulabadlali kukhona ukapteni weqembu Thulani Hlatshwayo, unozinti ozenze Belgium uDarren Kitt, uThemba Zwane kanye noAndile Jali. Bakhona nabadlali abaqaphelekayo abagawulwe yizembe okubalwa kubo unozinti osemnkantshubomvu, uItumele Nkhune, uDean Ferman kanye noBuhle Mkhwanazi.
Let us just say it's a generation of players that will always provide the spine in the team. The players that we are referring to, I have spoken to them. I have given them a call to say, look, this is the plan. The reason why you are not in the team is because we also want to have a look at the younger generation that is coming in, but you are still part of the team going forward.
Lemidlalo izosengathwa ngaphansi kwemigomo eqinile ye-COVID-19. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwesimemezelo seFIFA ngesonto eledlule ukuthi imqhudelwano yamazwe isingaqala.
In terms of compulsory testing, every member of the team that will be coming into camp, because the camp is the same concept as a bubble, because now it will be a controlled environment. So every member that will be coming into camp should have a negative test result. And that test results, I should have all the results by Saturday to make sure that I've cleared everyone.
Bonke abadlali bazohlolelwa iCovid-19 kanti futhi bazodame behlolwa lapho abazobe begcinwe khona. Abadlali beBafana bazohlanganyela bonke enkanjini kusukela ngesonto.